What's up everybody? Welcome back to yet another video here on the channel. I cannot believe that nobody has beat me to it with this fly. I mean, it's so stupid and simple. It's not stupid, but it's stupid simple. It's a variation of the steelhead fly I made a week or so back. Of course, if you're watching this video a year from now, it's from a video I made a while back. And I actually started a challenge on Instagram to see who would beat me to it, and nobody has beat me to it yet, so I guess I'm the first. At least I'm the first to show it here and also on Instagram. So before I start tying this fly, if you're new here, welcome. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, it does mean a lot. Let's jump down to it here. This fly doesn't even have a name, so if you want to be the first person to name this fly, let me hear it down in the comments, and I will name the fly with the coolest name. Hook in my vise from Eric's Hooks, as usual. You can of course use whatever you want. I just really like these hooks. They're always in stock. Sharp, great hooks, great guys. Actually, they have become friends over the years. So there's of course that. But by any means, I'm not telling you what hooks you should use. If you have a different favorite hook, then just use that. So we are back at it with the marabou, and I've already cut this. What you want to do is dub it directly onto your thread. I think last time I put it into a dubbing loop, which made even more of a mess. And the fly, I mean, it does affect how the fly looks in the end, whether you dub it directly onto the thread or put it into a loop. So, but the deal here is you take a marabou plume. I have it down here. Let me see. I have to be careful not to say plume too hard. Plume, because look, it'll just be flying everywhere. But basically, you just trim off the fibers and cut them into these little pieces, and then just dub it straight onto your thread. And a good idea here is, of course, to tie up a few flies while you're at it, because this will just be flying everywhere. So give it a nice thick body here. It's a little bit more in front. Just like so. Now let me see if I can grab that hackle feather here without breaking the tip off. I've been doing that the past 3 videos in a row. So if you're binge watching right now my videos, this video and the 3 videos before it, you will see me breaking the hackles. Get up in front here, tie in a few extra turns with the hackle, just to give it a bit of a thicker head. Like that. securing turns in front and behind it. I don't want it falling apart at this point. Trim off the feather. Now, you could have given this a small tail, which would look kind of cool as well. I left that one out in this one because I wanted something a little bit smaller. Sometimes the fish prefer a smaller bait, I guess. I don't know why, but it seems to be sometimes when, oh, I just blew it. All the feathers everywhere. Sometimes the fish seem to react a little bit more to smaller prey, so it's always good to have a variation of both in your box. Let's give that, add some varnish. Like that. Brush out some of the trapped fibers and also some of that wonderful pink marabou dubbing there. This will look so good in the water when it gets wet. Kind of gives it that inner glow. So that there is the finished fly. Very nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some of the links in the description. Check out the merch and the fly tying music. I will see you in the next video.